When it comes to manifesting an SP and when it comes to manifesting people, everyone gets so caught up in the external reality of things, on what they're seeing and what they're witnessing in the reality versus the inner conversations that they are having in their head with this person, versus the thoughts and things that they're telling themselves about this person. And that is the most important thing. Because there is no such thing as the future or the past. We are living every moment in this present moment. So if something is not actually happening here and now, it doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. So a lot of the scenarios that we are creating are happening in our head. And we are imagining these things. And because we are imagining these things, we are bringing it into our reality. So because of that, a lot of people start chasing, they start reacting, and they start obsessing, and they start trying to manipulate and convince and get people to see them, because in reality, they're not seeing themselves as that version. If you are someone that gets prioritized, if you're someone that is confident, if you are someone that is already in a relationship with that person, would you be acting like that? You shouldn't have to convince anyone to see you. Your focus should be on yourself. When there is resistance, that means that we have to go back and look at our beliefs. How do we truly feel about ourselves? Because if we feel worthy, if we feel deserving, we are not going to be chasing after anyone. We're going to know that we are that person. Therefore, there is nothing to prove. There is nothing to do but embody that version of yourself. So if you're currently not getting what you want, that is because your focus is on the external reality. You are trying to figure out what is happening, and there is nothing that you can do to make someone see you. There is nothing that you can do outside of you. The thing is that you have to change yourself. You have to change your beliefs. It starts within. It all is cultivated from inside. Focus on cultivating a strong sense of self. Focus on becoming more confident. Focus on becoming more sure of yourself. Focus on creating a life that is fulfilling to you outside of anyone else. You have to be so comfortable with being alone and loving being around yourself even when no one is around. Love your presence, love your energy, love the time that you get to spend by yourself, because if you don't, what makes you think that someone else is going to? You have to be the change that you want to see in the world. So anytime that you are feeling triggered and you feel the need to chase and you feel the need to obsess, you need to turn all of that around and put the focus on you, because as soon as you start to focus on you, everything else will focus on you too.